So it's getting close to the time for my evening dose, and I'm taking the iCare. I took the iPulse in the morning, and I told you that there was like a little trick that my friend Sujata had told me about this. I lost a portion of this inside the iPulse bottle, so hopefully this won't happen with this. So I've removed the plastic seal that comes with this bottle. I've removed the cap, and what she told me to do was to use a scissor, the edge of a scissor, and slowly push this out, and that actually works really well because then you can sort of grab that lip and pull the cap out. And that is a great technique so that you don't lose the cap inside and this little thing doesn't just come off, and you can you can open the bottle a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you can see that I've removed the plastic cap, and I use the assistance of the scissor, and I also used the assistance of this pot holder, and I just was able to remove it quite easily. You can see the inside is like this orangish peach liquid, and this one is not as strong smelling as iPulse. iPulse, I could smell it even with the cap on. This one is a little more subtle, and I'm going to go ahead and pour my 30 ml dose into my cup. And I have my 30 ml dose. As I had said previously, this is approximately 2 tablespoons. And you can see the color of the liquid. Of course, it is peach flavored. And the liquid also looks very true to peach color and smell. It does have a very subtle peach smell, almost has a little hints of rose in it as well. So I'm excited to see how this tastes. Okay, so I have finished my evening dose, and this definitely is a lot sweeter than the iPulse, in my opinion. It definitely has a peach flavor, but it also has some other flavor elements to it. Like, I feel like there is a little bit more of this herbaceous taste and almost slightly a rose-like flavor or a floral flavor to it. And it definitely has a lot more sweetness than the berry, the iPulse acai berry flavor. And this is also good. It's a little sweet for me because I like things that are a little bit more tart and sweet. So I think I prefer the iPulse in terms of taste over the iCare. But it's still definitely something that people can very easily take as a dose, an evening dose, daily dose, especially if you have a sweet tooth. I think those of you who really like sweets, this is going to be a nice treat for you. So I'm excited to see how iCare is going to improve my health over the next month, and let's see how the trial goes.